Today we are reviewing from UniWigs the Emily hair topper, which I'm so excited about. This is what this beauty looks like right here. I'm going to be going over all the details of it, showing you how I put it on my head. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. I'm going to show you how it looks like right away before I do any styling to it. So if you're not familiar with a hair topper, it is different from a wig in the fact that, like I said, you can incorporate it with your own hair. It has clips on it here, and I'm sure most of you have seen me do this before. I reviewed a ton of hair toppers and wigs here on this channel. UniWigs is one of my favorite companies, so I'm so excited to be working with them again. But this is what the inside of the Emily hair topper looks like. So looking on the website here, it's a 5 by 6 inch base. The color is Almond Frost, which is my absolute favorite. I just love the way it has subtle rooting here on top. And then it's just this like beautiful kind of warm blonde color, a little bit of caramel streaks through it. I have so many pieces in Almond Frost and it's by far my favorite. I believe this is 16 inches. It does come in 12 inches as well. And I always have a coupon code. So if you're buying from UniWigs, check out the coupon code down below. It is for 15% off, which definitely adds up. So check that out. Before I put this on my head, let's talk a little bit about it. It's the Emily Virgin Remy Human Hair Mono Topper. So this is human hair. And the quality of hair from UniWigs is always fantastic. I never have any shedding or matting. It always brushes through so nicely. It feels very silky. And like I said, there's no shedding. So that is fabulous. The density on this piece is 130%, so it does have a pretty good density to it. It's nothing too thick, but it's also not too thin as well, which is great. Comes in a bunch of colors. I just kind of parted my own hair to the side here. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take the hair topper over the top and line up the part of the hair topper with my actual part. And then I'm just going to set it back slightly. The hair at the front of my head still is not that thick, so if I set it back too far, you can see right through to my scalp, and it doesn't look as natural. So I like to bring it pretty darn close to the front. And then all I do is hold it down flat, take that clip there, scoop up some hair, and it's a pressure clip, so I just click it closed. Went on just fine. I'm going to move myself a little bit lower. Okay, hopefully that's a better angle. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat, it is quite voluminous. You see the lift that's happening between my own natural hair, here's my bio hair, and then here's where the hair topper starts. It's quite a big difference, and I do have it laying nice and flat. In the back, I'm not finding that, but in the front here, there's just a little bit of extra lift. So usually what I can do is pull out some of my own natural hair. I can back comb it to kind of make it blend in a little bit better. Another trick I find that really helps with this is if you do kind of like a little braid or a little twist in the front here, combining your own hair with the actual piece. Like I could twist this kind of to the side here and just pin it. And then it kind of just pulls that down a little bit and blends everything together. So I think that would look super cute if I did that. But I'm thinking I might just wash this tonight, style it a little bit, and come back and show you it tomorrow, what it looks like. I'm also going to wear it for a day so I can tell you how it is comfort-wise. Okay, so it's now the next day. I have washed this, I've let it air dry, and I just quickly straightened it. Could use a little bit more straightening, but I'm happy with it for the moment. So this is what it looks like now. Just gonna open up the clips again, try it back out, see how it blends with my hair today. Okay, so I don't know why, but I just always love the way a piece lays after I can wash it, let it air dry flat. I like things that kind of mimic my own hair as much as possible because my own bio hair obviously is quite thin and fine, so I like things that lay flat to my head. This one actually wasn't that bad right out of the box. I would wear it as is, but I wanted to try it out washing it and see how I felt about it. And I just love her. The quality is so good. It washes really well, dries super quick. I just let it dry overnight, and it's honestly probably dry halfway through the night, and then run a straightener through it because it is human hair, so you can do that. But this is what she looks like. She feels amazing. I think it's blending quite well with my own hair. I'll spin around so you can see the back. So this is what the back looks like. Obviously I need to straighten it a little bit further, but yeah, that's what the back looks like. I think it's a really good length on me. It's hitting me kind of just below the shoulders, kind of above the bust area. It's a length that I really, really like. And yeah, I am really happy with this. Definitely gonna run it through a straightener one more time, but I think it looks quite natural. It's very comfortable on the head and I am happy with it.